If you've ever tried slow cooking on a Kamado grill and ended up with uneven heat, dry edges, or meat that just didn't stay as juicy as you expected, you already know how frustrating it can be. The grill is powerful, but without the right setup, it doesn't always deliver that steady convection-style heat people are chasing. That's exactly the problem the Char-Griller Akorn Smokin Stone is designed to solve. So this is the Char-Griller Akorn Smokin Stone, a cordierite heat deflector designed for Akorn Kamado grills. It's made for backyard grillers who want more control over indirect heat, whether they're smoking brisket, slow cooking ribs, or even baking pizza on the grill. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, it doesn't look like much more than a thick ceramic plate, but the design actually matters more than it seems. The cordierite material feels solid and heat-resistant in a way that immediately signals durability. It's built to sit inside the grill and redirect heat around the perimeter instead of letting flames hit your food directly. That simple change turns your grill from a direct flame cooker into something much closer to a convection oven. The real value shows up in how it changes the cooking environment. Once the grill is up to temperature, the stone evens out hot spots and creates a more controlled heat zone. Instead of constantly worrying about flare-ups or uneven cooking, you get a steadier internal temperature that makes long cooks far more predictable. For low and slow barbecue, that consistency is everything. In real cooking situations, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. Ribs cook more evenly and stay juicier because they're not exposed to direct flame. Brisket develops a more consistent bark without drying out on the edges. Even chicken benefits from the gentler heat, staying tender instead of tightening up under uneven temperature spikes. It basically turns the grill into a more forgiving cooking environment. One of the more interesting uses is baking. Once the Smokin Stone is in place, you can actually use your Kamado like a wood-fired oven. Pizza comes out with a better crust, bread rises more evenly, and even cookies can be baked with surprisingly good results. It's not just a barbecue accessory, it expands what your grill can actually do. There is a slight trade-off in setup time. You need to let the grill stabilize with the stone in place before cooking, which adds a bit of waiting compared to direct grilling. But that's also part of what makes the results more consistent. Once it's dialed in, it holds temperature well and reduces the need for constant adjustment. Cleanup is minimal, which is always a plus for grill accessories. Since it sits inside the grill and doesn't directly interact with food, you're not dealing with heavy scrubbing or maintenance. It just stays in place and does its job, which makes it more of a set-and-forget type of upgrade. Now, it's important to be realistic about what this does. It won't magically improve your grilling skills or fix under-seasoned food. What it does is stabilize heat and reduce variability, which gives you more control. If your technique is already solid, this helps you get more consistent results. If your setup or timing is off, it won't fully compensate for that. Compared to other heat deflectors in the same category, the Char-Griller Smokin Stone stands out mainly because it's designed specifically for Akorn grills, which means the fit and heat distribution are more dialed in. Generic ceramic plates can work, but they often don't match the same airflow behavior. Higher-end Kamado accessories offer similar performance, but usually at a higher price point without necessarily changing the cooking outcome dramatically. Overall, the Char-Griller Akorn Smokin Stone feels like one of those simple upgrades that quietly improve the entire grilling experience. It doesn't change how you cook, it just makes the environment more stable, which is often what separates average barbecue from consistently great results. If you've been struggling with uneven heat or inconsistent smoking results on your Kamado grill, this is one of the most practical upgrades you can make. The link is in the description if you want to check pricing or details. And if this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.